Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel again. So, nandito na naman tayo guys. So, today's video is a sit-down video again. So, today's video guys is my my favorite top 3 best drugstore foundation that work on my skin. So, I already put eyebrows and makeup, but I haven't put foundation yet. So, we're gonna try it on. My top 3 best drugstore foundation that work for my skin. So, ito guys yung drugstore foundation that work on my skin. So, yan, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung mga favorite na drugstore foundation that okay to my skin. So, unahin natin guys tong this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. Ito yung pinaka gusto ko sa drugstore foundation. Ito guys. Yan. Yung Maybelline. Actually, dalawa yung binili ko kasi I like to mix it together because I'm having trouble finding the right color on my skin tone. So, I have this fair ivory, and then I have the 230 natural buff. So sometimes I mix it together because this one is kind of like whiter to my skin color, and then this one is kind of like perfect skin tone to my color. So subukan natin guys. Wala pa akong foundation na inilagay sa face ko. So, itatry natin to. This is my top 1 favorite foundation. This is my top 3 favorite drugstore foundation. Ang ayaw ko lang dito guys, ganito siya oh. Kailangan mo siyang i-pump. Oh, ayan na guys, tingnan mo. Yun ang ayaw ko dito. Minsan napapadami yung lagay ko. Oh my god, napadami yung lagay ko. So, lagayin natin ang foundation guys. Mag-start tayo. Napadami yung lagay ko, kaya ayaw ko nito eh. Kasi ano siya, wala siyang, nakapump siya eh. So, ayan na guys. Mag-ano na tayo. Maglagay na ako. Gagamit ako ng sponge. Ito yung, ang tawag dito? Maybelline Poreless. Ayan, kumalat na. Ganyan ko lang siya guys. Ilalagay ko lang siya. Paano ba wala akong salamin? Ayan. Ganyan lang. Ito, ang ganda nito sa mukha. Parang, kinis-kinis sa mukha mo. Ayan, guys, oh. Ilagay na natin siya. Gusto ko siyang i-direct sa sponge. Yun yung ginagawa ko. Tapos, gaganyan ko siya, guys. So, ito yung ayan, guys, oh, diba? Ito yung pinaka-paborito kong foundation. Itong Maybelline, tingnan mo guys, ayan oh. Oh, walang foundation. Tingnan natin kung makover yan. May foundation. Ito lang guys, yung ginagamit ko. Oh my god! Ang bigat ng salamin ko guys. Ayan. Ayan guys. Paborito kong foundation to da. Oh, da. Feeling flawless daw si Inday. Oh. Ang bigat please ng foundation. Ang bigat ng ng salamin ko. Ang bigat pa naman ito yung salamin nito yung kasama sa ring light. May kasama kasi siyang mirror. So, ang bigat, parang bakal. Wait lang guys ha. Kukuha lang ako ng maliit na mirror. And then, I'll be back. Ayun na guys, nagbabalik ako. Ang kinis talaga guys ng ng pagkakaano ng foundation. Oh. Okay, let's start. Ayan guys. Naku-cover naman to, alam ko eh. Alam ko na kasi this is my favorite drugstore foundation, liquid foundation. So, ayan guys, oh. So, ito normally yung ginagamit ko. Yan. Ayan guys, oh. Oh. Ayan na. Minsan nga guys, hindi na ako nagko-concealer nito. Ayan lang guys, oh. Ayan. Oh, daw ang kinis daw. Para yan, tapos na guys, medyo na-cover yung pimples ko. Tapos, ito naman yung forehead naman guys. Yung forehead. Lagyan natin yan, yung forehead. Ang ganda-ganda talaga ng ano na to, foundation na ito guys. Yun nga lang, hindi ko mahanap yung ano, yung right color foundation to sa skin color ko. Kaya ang ginagawa ko, pinag-mix ko na lang yung darker color tsaka yung ano, yung lighter color. Yan guys, oh. Grabe ako mag ano. Talagang ano. So ayan na guys yung foundation. Ala da. Ang kinis natin guys, natakpan ng konti yung ano ko. Yung mga ano natin dyan, yung mga tigidig-tigidig. Ayan na siya guys, oh. Ayan, gustong-gusto ko talaga yung foundation na to. Ayan. Medyo na-cover yung konting ano. Ayan na siya guys. Ayan. So, ayan na. So, kumalat siya. Kumalat siya guys. Ika lang guys. Maglalagay lang ako ng ano, lipstick tsaka blush on para kasi parang ang puti ng mukha. Pero ang ganda ng resulta ng ano guys. Oh. Teka, maglalagay lang ako guys. Dito na lang ako maglagay. Maglagay lang ako ng blush on para ano, hindi masyado maputi. Yan. Para hindi naman masyado maputi. Ang ganda ng foundation guys. Promise. Yan. Ayan. Minsan nilalagyan ko din dito ng konti. Ayan. Ayan guys. Ang ganda ng foundation, promise. Parang ano daw si Inday, blooming. Nakaka-fresh tingnan. Ayan, okay na ako sa naglagay lang ako ng konting. Sometimes hindi na ako nagko-concealer kasi maganda yung coverage ng foundation na to. Ang ganda ng coverage niya. Lang guys, parang amput lang ako kasi wala akong lipstick. Maglalagay lang ako ng lipstick and I'll be back. So, inulit ko ulit. Retake ako ng retake. So, nasa na ba tayo guys? Pangalawa na, no? So, nakalimutan ko. So, sumunod na favorite ko din tong Ramil Lasting Finish 24 Hours Breathable Foundation. It's a Broad Spectrum SPF 20 Sunscreen 103 True Ivory. Ayan guys. Ang ganda rin ito. At saka, hindi masyadong matapang yung amoy. It has a very light smell. And then it has this beautiful pump. Beautiful applicator. Ang ginagawa ko, ina-apply ko lang siya sa buong mukha ko. Kasi ang ganda ng applicator niya. Ayan siya. Oh. Ayan. Ito yung next na favorite ko. Kailang retake na ako ng video na to. Na-lurky ako dun. Tapos yung pangalawa. Ito guys. Ito palang foundation na to guys. I wear this foundation one of my video. So, i-ano ko lang siya, isisingit ko lang yung clip ng video na ito yung gamit kong foundation. Ito rin guys, yung pangatlo kong favorite, Maybelline Dream Velvet Soft Matte Hydrating Foundation. Yan. Yan guys, ito rin yung isa sa pinaka-paborito kong foundation. Excuse me. And I wear it one of my videos to, so ano ko na lang, isisinit ko na lang yung video na yun, na ito yung gamit kong foundation. And the third, 1, 2, 3, and ayan yung pinaka favorite kong foundation na irarang ko sa top 3 foundation ko guys. Itong Maybelline, saka itong Maybelline again, saka itong Ramil London Foundation. Yan yung pinaka most kong ginagamit, like for everyday going to work. Yan yung mga ginagamit kong foundation. Tapos idadagdag ko na rin yung iba kong foundation na gusto ko rin nag-work sa skin ko. Itong Revlon Color Stay Full Coverage Foundation, dahil nabulon na ako. Yan. I remember I have a video of this one. If you want to watch it, just search this Revlon Color Stay Full Cover Foundation. Meron akong video na ko siya, tinest ko siya. And then ito rin, Ramil Stay matte foundation to. Paborito ko rin to. Ang ganda nitong coverage na to. Talagang natatakpan yung yung mga acne ko tsaka pimples ko kasi matte siya. Tsaka it gives less oily on my skin because I'm a oily skin. Parang kulang na lang i-prito yung face ko. Ito rin yung minsan pag nagmamadali ako, yung hindi siya nako-cover masyado yung face mo, pero meron siyang kind of like dewy look, finishing fresh look, something like that, fresh look, dewy finishing coverage. Yan, ito siya. Ito rin favorite ko din to. It's a Maybelline Dream Fresh Baby Cream 8-in-1 Beauty Balm Skin Protector. May SPF din siya, 30, SPF 30. Tapos, I think, ito lang guys yung mga paborito kong foundation na nag-work sa skin ko, na normally ginagamit ko pag pumapasok ako sa trabaho. And it lasts 8 hours. Hindi siya sticky, hindi siya heavy sa skin, very lightweight, foundation. Ito guys yung mga normally ginagamit kong foundation for everyday going to work, or magpi-film ako, na-cover ako ng foundation. Ito lang guys yung ginagamit kong foundation. So ko na lang, isisingil ko na lang yung video na anong foundation yung gamit ko dito guys. So ayan guys, sinare ko lang sa inyo yung mga foundation na normal ginagamit ko everyday going to work, paulit-ulit. Ayan na nga. Basta ito lang guys yung ginagamit kong foundation na nag-work sa skin ko. At saka kita mo yan guys, ang ganda ng coverage niya. Yan. Ito lang guys yung ginagamit kong foundation for everyday. Ayan. I think that's it. Sana nagustuhan nyo itong video and sana nakatulong sa inyo. Kung meron din kayong foundation guys na ginagamit na naka-include dito sa list ko, comment down below kung ano yung favorite nyo, kung nag-work ba sa skin nyo, gusto nyo ba siya, ganyan ba kakinis yung resulta ng face. Naloka ako, nakailang cut ng videos, nakailang retake ako, 3 times ata. Ito talagang pa na to, hindi ko napansin ang lakas ng audio sa video. So kailangan kong i-retake yung video. So guys, I did already transfer my videos So when I try to watch it, my audio is still bad. Remember I told you the audio, because remember I told you about the audio that, oops, let's get out of my background though. Messy chair. So remember I told you that my audio is like bad, and then because of the bathroom fan, but it's not. I don't know what is that sounds. It's like the sounds with the bathroom fan, but it's not. Oh my no, maybe my microphone is broken. Or maybe because I how do you call it, or maybe because I changed the setting of my camera. I put it in the 4K resolution maybe, but I don't think so. I don't know, we'll find out. I film with this like in a manual settings, so we'll see if I get those weird noise thingy on my audio though. So I don't know what's wrong. It's gonna be annoying though, in my audio is like weird. You can hear the weird sounds, but anyways, I do apologize for that, guys. I'm not gonna retake it anymore. It take forever to not forever, but take a while to retake it again because of the audio. But well, anyways, I'm just gonna consider it. I do apologize for that weird noise that you can hear in my background. Okay guys, I don't know what's going on. So I rewatched it again, my video, and then the audio is still bad. I don't know what is that sounds, but anyways, I'm just gonna deal with it. But oh, tingnan mo guys, oh, kinis lang ng mukha eh. Yan, kinulot ko ngayon yung buhok ko. Pinaglaruan ko na naman yung buhok ko. I like what I curl my hair today. Sometimes I didn't like my curl. It's look funky. So now it's kind of okay. I like it though. But anyways, I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog, guys. Bye.